Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss about today topic is digital electronics and logic gates. Today topic is digital electronics and logic gates. Okay, going to this class in the last lecture you talk about in the previous lecture, that is junction transistor. Junction transistor. Okay, it is a what is a transistor? It is a one kind of device. It is a specially designed PN junction devices. Transistor as a commonly basically it is a specially designed PN junction diodes. What is a transistor? Transistor is a basically combination of two PN junction diodes. Two PN junction diodes. Okay, how to form a transistor? Now how to form a transistor? How to construct the transformer? Okay, combination of two PN, that is PN junction, NP junction. Okay, combination of two, that is PNP transistor. There is a PNP transistor and also NP transistor, NP PN transistors. That is you can combine, that is P diode sandwich, that is NPN. That means P diode sandwich in between the two N diodes. This type of transistor is called NPN transistor. Okay, N is the N type material having majority charge carriers are electrons. In the P type, majority charge carriers are electrons. In the case of N type, that is majority charge carriers are electrons. It is N type NPN transistor. It is PNP transistor. In the transistor two types. This is the NPN PNP transistors. Okay, you know what is the symbol of the PNP transistor? In the any transistor having three terminals. One is emitter, second one is base, third one is collector. Okay, it is three terminals is there or three segments is there in the transistor. Suppose here NPN, P is the emitter, N is the base, P is the collector. Here NPN, N is the emitter, P is the base, N is the collector. Like this. Okay, now we discuss about the what is the base, what is the emitter, what is the collector. Okay, these are the segments, three segments in the transistor. Okay, that is emitter having medium size, so highly doped material and segments, and highly charge carriers is there in the emitter, and also base having less size and less doped segments and also less charge carriers in the base. Okay, in the case of conductor, high sized. Okay, here this is the collector. This is in the case of PNP transistor. Here P. Okay, it is a emitter having small the medium size compared below collector above the base. Okay, in the case of collector is high size. Okay, high size compared to base and emitter, and also medium is doping concentration is medium above base, below emitter. This is the concentration of the doping concentration of the collector, and also carrier concentration, that is medium also. It is also carrier charge carriers also medium above base, below emitter. Emitter having charge carriers more. That is what is the duty of emitter, what is the duty of base, what is the duty of collector. Emitter means it can be transmit through the electrons. Suppose holes are transmitted to the base. What is the duty of base? Means it can base can be transmit the electrons or holes, collected from the emitter and also transmitted to the transmitted to the collector. Collector is the it is a collect the number of charge carriers or electrons or holes in the circuit. This phenomena appear in the PNP or NPN transistor. And also compared to NPN and PNP is in the case of PNP, majority charge carriers there, P is there, is P is there. The majority charge carriers are also total in the NPN transistor compared to NPN transistor. NPN transistor having more large number of electrons, that is mobile charge carriers is more, okay, compared to this one. Okay, why? Because they are using more advantages, more useful, more efficiency compared to PNP transistor, because here hole having high mass, here electron having low mass. It is low mass particle, latter particle can be used as a mobile charge carriers. Mobile charge carriers, it can be get the current in the circuit, okay, compared to hole having, it is a vacancy, not free electrons. That means you see here valency electrons in the electrons in the starting. In the case of valence band, the electrons are are transmitted to the conduction band. Electrons is there, here creation of the vacancy is the free electron, is a free electron. It is not a free particle, it is only having space or vacancy. That is the reason NPN transistor is the more advantageous compared to the PNP transistor. Suppose in the case of active, suppose the transistor is in the case of active state. Active means energy, and also the emitter base junction is a forward bias in the connected in the forward bias. Collector base junction is in the reverse bias. That is emitter EF means emitter connected in the forward bias. CR means collector in the collector is connected to the in the reverse bias. This follow the we can appear in the amplifier or transistor. That is the active region of the transistor in the PNP or NPN transistor. Okay, NPN is the most important and useful to the electronic devices compared to the PNP transistor. Okay, see here what is the reason means here energy based, sorry, EB means electron emitter base forward bias is here. Emitter base forward bias means in the case of EB, the depletion layer, width of the depletion layer is very small compared to in between the collector junction. It is a collector junction, it is a emitter junction. EJ means emitter junction, CJ means collector junction. Emitter junction is between the emitter to base, collector junction in between the base to collector. The width of the depletion layer is very large, so there is no flow of electrons appear in the collector region. So that is it is a reverse bias, it is a forward bias when it is a active region of the transistor in the NPN or PNP transistor. Okay, in the NPN transistor there is a having three configuration is there. That is a common emitter configuration, CB common base configuration, CC common collector configuration. In the case of C means common emitter means emitter is connected to the base and collector. Here common base means base is a common for emitter and collector. Here common collector means collector is common for base and emitter. Okay, now any transistor having more useful or more advantages in the C configuration. Okay, that is C configuration is there. This is the C configuration. Okay, it having two characteristics, that is input characteristics. One is the output characteristics. The input characteristics is nothing but the variation of the base current with respect to voltage developed across the base emitter voltage. That is the variation of the voltage is variation, that is VBE, voltage developed base emitter that is voltage. It can be changing the this voltage, the variation in the base current. This variation in the base current is called input characteristics of the C configuration in the NPN transistor. And also output characteristics is nothing but VCE, the voltage developed across the collector emitter voltage. This collector emitter voltage developed increases, the collector current will be changes in the circuit. This part is the output part, this part is the input part of the CE configuration in the transistor. Okay, in the case of transistor having some parameters, input output parameters, having some parameters, that is Ri. Ri is the input resistance, R0 is the output resistance of the NPN or PNP transistor. That is input resistance is the change in the voltage developed across the collector emitter voltage by the change in the Ri. Input resistance is nothing but the change in the voltage developed across the base emitter voltage by the change in the uh, base current. That means here like this, here VBE, this IB. Okay, like this, it constant to VC, it constant to VCE. Okay, it constant to VCE, that is the input resistance. It is input resistance around the 100 ohms. Okay, the output resistance is nothing but the change in VCE by the change in collector current. Okay, the change in the collector current, this is the input, this is the output to it constant base current. Okay, the graph is like this, it is a VCE, there is the IC collector current, like this parameter is like this, that is it is a at constant base current. The base current is increases up to certain region, there is no change. VC is increases, the IC is linear at a certain time, after there is no increasing the IC, there is no change in the collector current. But with increasing the base current, there is a 20 microamperes, there is in the case of microamperes, this order is current order is microampere, this collector current is milliampere. Okay, increasing the base current, the collector current will be increases like this, here 10, 20, 30, 40, like this, increasing the base current IB, the collector current also increases, but no effect in the VCC, that is VCC is equal to VCE at this junction, that is saturation region, there is no change in the circuit. Okay, and also we can find the from the transistor we can current amplifier, that is denoted by beta. It is in AC, it is DC, that is AC DC, that is in the case of AC current amplification factor, AC is equal to the change in collector current, the change in base current at constant VCE. Okay, in the case of DC, BDC is equal to IC, current change in collector current by base current. Okay, now we discuss digital electronics and logic gates. Now we'll discuss about digital electronics and logic gates. Digital electronics nothing but we can form is 7 segments like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Suppose you want to write 2 like this, is a 2. Suppose you can write the 3 is 3. Okay, suppose 4 is 4. It is a digital form, that is the numbers are assigned in the computers, cells and electronics and calculators, is a digital form. In the previous some these are using semiconductor devices, it can be modify the digital circuit, digital electronics in the form of digital electronics. Okay, now we will discuss how to get the digital electronics. In the previous some lectures, the signals are can be transformed, that is in the form of voltage, in the form of current. Okay, that is like this. In the previous from going to digital, that is in the previous, that is signals is like this. Okay, it is a voltage form or current form in the form of in the amplifier or oscillators. in the voltage or current, it can be transmit the signals. That is old, that is developed, that is called analog. This analog signal, analog signal, that is a hold. Okay, without coming to digital. Okay, now it is a voltage amplitude in the form of basic numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 like this. This is the basic digital electronics, 1 2 3 4. That is the basic levels, and also the voltage like this: 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. That is the on off states, or closed off on state means we can connect the circuit in the with bulb. With bulb we can circuit the one battery. Okay, it can be on off. Okay, it is closed. You can connect the key is there. Okay, we can connect the switch off, and means switch on means it is a on state. That is a on means that is a we get 1. Off state, that is a 0. This 0, this is a 0. There is a 1 0. This is a 0 1 0 1 0 1. There is a in the form of digital level, digital values, signals. This is a digital signal. It can be transmit the in the form of numbers, or this waveform is converted in the form of digital form. Okay, this is called digital signals. This is the analog signal. It is old model. It can be current and voltage used in the form of voltage, that is the amplifier, oscillators. It can be time varying voltages or time varying. It is a time, it is a voltage or current. It is a voltage or current. Okay, that is amplitude of the current or current intensity changes with respect to time. This is also amplitude or voltage amplitude with respect to time. This is the digital form. This is the analog form. Okay, it is having digital circuits having only two values, that is a 1 or 0. 1 or 0. It is a 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Okay, digital signals having only two values. So there is input or output to voltage. It is depends upon input or output to voltage, permissible voltage. Okay, now we discuss the what is the logic gates, what is the digital values can be used. Okay, the logic gates are used in the calculators and digital watches, computers, robots, or industrial controlling systems, etc. Now in the case of digital circuits are used the light like this light. Okay, that is key, that is key is in on. So the key is on off. It is depends on the switch position. It is a switch or key that is in the digital circuits are using. When the switch is on, the light can be we can get the light. That is a on. On means the output is the value of output is 1. Okay, we get the switch is on, connecting the key, the current is passing through the circuit. Okay, the light is coming, that is it is a on state, that is on state, the light is a on. The output value is 1. Suppose the disconnect the key, it is open circuit or close open circuit. Open, that is open means the light is off. The light is off means the output is 0. Okay, like this. It is on state, off state, on state, off state, on state, off state. That is in the form of digital circuit only. The digital circuit having two decimals, two values, that is 1 or 2 in the input or output to are assembled in the digital electronics or in the logic gates. Okay, what is the logic gates? Logic gates is a digital circuits follow the some logic relationship in the voltage or current form in the input or output. This is known as a logic gates. Logic means it is a switch is open. Switch is open. Open means off. Close, on. There is a logic. Logic means open. Open is nothing but open means off state. Closed means on state. That is a open. That is switch is in how open. That is the off state. There is a light is not coming. It is off state. Off state means 0 in the digital form. This closed state means on state. On state means light is coming. Is on state. That is get output. That is 1. It is input. It is the output in the logic gates. It is a logic with the help of these logic gates are prepared with the help of semiconductor circuits. Is combination of the diodes or transistors in the logic gates. Gate is a circuit which will be accept many input to logic gates like this. Logic gates having number of inputs but get the only one output. This type of circuits is called logic gates. Gates means number of inputs there. That is input only we get the only one output. This type of signals follow. It is input signal. This output signal. Okay, this type of low and high values are emitted in the circuit. This type of circuit is called gates. That is logic gates means on off. That is a logic gates. This type of gates is called logic gates. Okay, the best example is tubes, calculators, watches, digital watches, computers. Okay, these are the logic gates. Okay, logic gates are 5 types. 5 types of logic gates are there. That is the one is NOT gate. Second one is AND gate. Third one is OR gate. Fourth one is NAND gate. Fifth one is NOR gate. Okay, this is the logic gates according to the input output relationship in between the input and output signals or voltages. It is known as a logic gates. That is a logic gates are 5 types. And also there more types is there. XOR gate, XOR gate is there, but in the only is the basic gates are the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, and NAND gate and NOR gate are the basic gates. Okay, in the case of this one, NOR gate and NAND gate are the universal gates. Universal gate means it can be depends upon NOT gate, AND gate or OR gate. This is the basic gates. The NOR gates are using this type of gates is called universal gates. Okay, now we discuss in the first gate is NOT gate. NOT gate. What is the NOT gate? NOT gate having only that logic gate is nothing but only one output. NOT gate is nothing but only one input and one output. This type of gate is called NOT gate. Only one input, one output. The basically this is NOT gate is the basic gate with one input, one output. Okay, this is always it is always opposite direction to the input is always opposite to the input. That is the input, this output. That is this is A, this output is A bar. That is A and A bar. Suppose we get the values 1 here. A bar means 1 bar is 0. Suppose 0 1. See here, the logic gate was not gate. Not gate is the only having, it has only one input, one output. Okay, it is a most basic gate, not gate. Here this is a symbol of the not gate. Okay, it is input having one terminal, that is A. There is gate, not gate. It is or Y or A bar. That is A. It is input. That is a output. Input is A. Output is A bar. It is A is equal to 1. The output is 0. It is input is 0. The output is 1. And also the logic gates are like this. It is a digital. It is in the form of junction, PN junction form. It is grounded state. Okay, it is one. This is the also PN junction form. It is a NOT gate circuit. Okay, now we'll discuss the next gate is OR gate. Second one is the OR gate. Okay, OR gate having or has two or more input circuits, only input circuits and only one output. Any circuit, in the case of logic gate having any circuit like this, logic means logic gate having number of inputs, only get the resultant output is only one output, that is transmit the input signal, transmit through the circuit digital logic gates to get the only one output, that is the resultant. Okay, in the case of OR gate, in the case of OR gate, the input to only two or more inputs like this. This is the OR gate, the symmetric symbol of the OR gate, two terminals. It is A, there is B. Okay, this is the Y. Okay, this A, B are the input to terminals. It is the Y is the output resultant of the A and B. It is the OR gate symbol, logic gate symbol. Okay, it is only two inputs, only one output. That is in the case of logic OR gate, the resultant is Y is equal to A plus B. Its OR gate is a plus form. Okay, A plus B. Here resultant is A is equal to B. Okay, the truth table of the OR gate, the truth table input and output. A, sorry, here not coming. See here A, B, Y. Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, we can take the values, input values. Suppose 0, 1. Suppose starting is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. In the case of 0, 0, in the case of 1, 1, in the case of, okay, we can explain now. See here, A plus means 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1. Also in the case of digital logic gates, we get the high plus high. It is a high value, only we get the any two inputs are high, any two, in the case of any two inputs are A or B is high. Suppose A is high, sorry, A is high, we get the output is high. Suppose B is high input, we get the high. Suppose both are is high, we get the output is high. Only any terminal A or B is high, we get the output is high. Only is output is off, that means both will be disconnected. Disconnected means like this. In the case of OR gate, like this. It is A, that is B, it is connected to the bulb, it is connected to the battery like this. Okay, suppose A here is closed, without A is off, B is off, this is switched off, both will be closed. Is this is closed, sorry, is both will be open. Open means output also open. This y is equal to 0. There is no current is up here. It is off state. Off state means 0. Suppose here we can connect to the B is connected. B is connected only, that is some of the current is passing through the circuit like this. That is we get the output is on state, high. Suppose here B is off, A is off, that means current is passing through the this circuit. Okay, both will be off, we get the divided into this parts. Current is, this current can be divided into one part, some part this time, some part this going to this the bulb will be LED is coming. Okay, that is a in the case of OR gate, the LED is coming, that is a off on state, both is in off, that is a OR gate. Okay, there is OR gate circuits in the form of electronic circuit is there like this. This is in the form of NPN transistor. Okay, in the current wave direction is this direction. In the case of current is direction, this is the two ground states. It is connected to the ground state. The terminal is A. This terminal is B. Okay, this is applied voltage, that is VCC. Here we get the output is input, is output. The y is equal to A plus B. This is the in the form of electronic circuit in the form of PN junction diode. This is the OR gate. Okay, the truth table of the OR gate is input is close, sorry, open, we get output is open, there is no LED is not coming, and also any A or B, anyone or either A either B is I, we get the output in the on state or high. Okay, or either B or either A get high or on, we get the output is I. Okay, now we discuss the third gate is, the third one is, see here, the third one is AND gate. Okay, AND gate having same any circuit, AND gate having two or more input circuits, two or more input signals or input circuits, and also only one output signal in the OR gate, AND gate. OR gate, AND gate, except NOT gate, every gates any input are more than two or more inputs are there in the logic gates. Only one output is there in the OR gate, NAND gate, except NOT gate. Okay, the symbol of the NOT gate is like this. You can terminals, two terminals, that is A, it is B. Okay, that is the Y. Okay, in the case of digital, in the form of PNP transistor, these two diodes are there. This is the AND gate. This is Y. It is A. It is B. That is Y is equal to A dot B. Here Y is equal to A dot B in the form of AND. AND gate is the product of two values or two terminals. That is the result is A dot B. That is A dot B in the circuit, electronic circuit. Okay, this can be explained in the form of circuit like this. In the case of OR gate, as it is a, in the case of parallel connection, it is a parallel connection. Now in the case of AND gate, it is a connected in the two terminals, is series. It is connected to the battery, positive, negative. Okay. Okay, like this. The output is first input. It is input, input, input. It is output. Input, it is the terminal A, terminal B. Okay, suppose A is closed, so both will be close. That is close means off state. The output is 0. That is A is closed, that is on state, that is 1 0, the output is 0. Okay, suppose B is on, A is off, that is key is like this, on. Okay, there is no flow of current, that is off. Okay, and also A is on, B is on, A is on, B is on, that is current is coming. Okay, that is a on state, the light is coming, that is a, sorry, get the output is high. Only both A and B is high, that output is high. Remaining all in the off state or 0, that is can be off state, that is open. Open means 0, open means 0, close means 1. Close means circuit is closed, the current is passing through the circuit, like this light is coming. That is a both will be closed, there is no power, any one is closed, there is no current passing through the circuit, only both will be closed. There is a series form, series connection. A, B two terminals are in the series connection. The truth table of the truth table of the AND gate. This is the truth table of the AND gate. These are the input, that is A, this is the B. Okay, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, that is Y is equal to, okay, write down neatly. This is A, B, Y is equal to A dot B. That is 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 0 1 into 0 0 0 1 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. This is the dot product of the, this is the AND gate. Here AND gate is not closed, that is the, we not get the light. Open, closed, open, we not get the current. And also that is a product of product gate of the AND gate. It is a out input A terminal, it is a AND gate A B. It is the input, it is a output, it is connected in the series form. This is circuit diagram of the AND gate. This is circuit diagram of the OR gate. Okay, now we will discuss the next gate is the NAND gate. The third one, third is over. Next fourth gate is NAND gate. NAND gate having two or more inputs, only one output is there. Any circuit having two or more inputs, only one output signal. It is input signal, output signal is using in the NAND gate. NAND gate NAND gate is nothing but add the two AND gate and plus NOT, get the NAND gate. NAND is nothing but AND plus NOT, we get the NAND gate. NAND gate circuit, the symbol of the AND gate is nothing but this is AND gate. Two terminals is A, B. That is AND gate plus NOT gate, plus NOT gate. Okay, here is A, AND gate means A dot B. A dot B is the AND gate. Here Y is equal to A dot B bar, that is a NOT gate. It is a NAND gate form, resultant is NOT gate. Is the truth table of the NAND gate is like A, B, Y and Y bar, or Y bar. That is here A dot B, here Y dot is equal to Y bar is equal to A dot B dot, like this. Here input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. See here, it is a dot product 0 0 into 0, it is 0 0 into 1 0 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. It is only AND gate operation up to here. It is AND gate operation up to certain. It is a NAND gate means it is 0 bar means 1, 0 bar means 1, 0 bar means 1, 1 bar means 0. This is the truth table. Truth table for NAND gate. NAND gate truth table. There is 0 0. The output is 1 1. Sorry, 0 1. It is 1 1 0 1. Only any input that means A or B, any out of two, any one is high, we get the output is 0. That is special of the NAND gate. The NAND gate is nothing but combination of AND gate and NOT gate. NAND gate is the NAND gate is the AND gate plus NOT gate. The NAND gate is a universal gate. That means it is a universal gate means it is a NAND gate having combination of basic gates. There is a NAND gate, NOT gate, AND gate are the basic gates. NAND gate is the universal gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are the universal gates. Universal gate is with the combination of the basic gates. Here basic gates is the AND gate and NOT gate. Okay. Now the AND gate is the it is a NAND gate. The truth table of the NAND gate. Okay, is from here up to here. This is the AND gate operation. This is the NAND gate operation. Okay, that is a NAND gate is nothing but AND gate plus NOT gate get the NAND gate. Okay, now the fifth gate is NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate. NOR gate has a two inputs and two or more inputs. Only one is output signal. Okay, that is signal is passing through the input or output. That is NAND gate. NOR gate is equal to the OR gate plus NOT gate. This is also NOR gate, also universal gate. Universal gate is nothing but combination of the adding of the two basic gates. There is a NOT gate and OR gate are the basic gate. It is a universal gate. NAND gate and NOT gate are the universal gates. Okay, suppose the symbol of the it is a OR gate. It is a OR gate and also plus NOT gate. This is a Y. It is a terminal A. It is terminal B up to here. What is the operation of the OR gate? Means A plus B up to here A plus B. Here y is equal to here this is a y, this is a y bar, that is A plus B bar. That is a OR gate operation. Okay, it can be simply like this. Okay, it can be simply write down like this. It is A terminal, sorry, it is A, it is B terminals. Here this is a NOT gate, that is a resultant to y, that is A plus B bar. That is a this can be write down like this. Both will be equal. The NOR gate is can be symbol like this or like this. Both are same. Okay, that is a combination of this is a OR gate, NOT gate. Both are adding. That is a NOR gate. This is called NOR gate. This is a OR gate. This is R. This is a NOT. NOT plus R. NOR gate. This is a NOR gate symbol. Okay, the truth table of the NOR gate like this. That is input, that is output. Input is A, B, Y. Okay, suppose here like this, it is Y, here Y bar. Output here also Y, here Y bar. Okay, there is up to here, it is A dot B, it is a R operation, here NOR operation. Okay, see here is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, next 1, 1 operation. Okay, here AND gate operation means 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, this is the y dash is equal to A dot B bar. 0 bar means 1, 0 bar means 1. That is NOR gate is R means plus, like not plus, it is a plus. Y is equal to here, y is equal to A plus B bar. Here A plus B. A plus B means 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0 bar means 1, 1 bar means 0, 1 bar means 0, 1 bar means 0. Okay, that is what is from this from the truth table. Any input to any input is off. This is off. That means close. It is open. It is open. This off state. We get the highest current or highest intensity in the output. That is intensity is high, yet output is high when both inputs are low. Both inputs are low. We get the output is high. Any inputs are high or low, we get the output is low. It is low means here this is the input is low, sorry, output is low, output is high. Only high means only both are is low, the both inputs are low, we get the high input, sorry, high output. Any inputs are is high, the output is low. Output is low in the NOR gate circuit. Okay, next goes to the integrated circuits. Integrated circuits. Integrated circuits is nothing but maybe chips. It is integrated circuit means it can be modified and designed different circuits with component with using more components like diodes, transistors. These are using transistors, diodes, and resistance, inductor, capacitor can be used in the integral circuits. That is, it is may be used for Baba atomic research, and also that is Bark and DRDO. This is specially designed. Best example is chips or Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2. These are the designed chips. Can be that is a integrated circuits. Okay, that is a very small. That is integrated circuits having small the integrated circuits having small size, very small size compared to semiconductors. So now discuss integrated circuits. Integrated circuits having main advantages compared to diodes. These are integrated circuits are developed with using some components like diodes, transistors, and resistance, inductor, capacitor. In the mainly the integrated circuits are used in the industrial or engineering application, like suppose DRDO, Bark, and DAE. These are the using very chips. These are circuit. Integrated circuits means maybe it having less size, large amount of energy. Energy stored. That is like cameras, small cameras, like a pin. Like this is camera. One type of camera is only small size. It having more storage of the amplification factor, light factor. The thickness is very small. Okay, it is a integrated circuits. It is integrated circuits. It is used for rockets or okay, it is can be used. Suppose Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2. That having many circuits, integrated circuits. Okay, like this. The integrated circuits using like as a using first to the signal block, the small signal block chips. Okay, this is semiconductor, like the technology will be increases. That is increasing the technology. That is integrated circuit is called IC. That is IC means integrated circuits. The integrated circuit is small. It is widely used in the technology and research and any instruments. That is called integrated circuits. Okay, the integrated circuits like this. The integrated circuits like this. This is only small size is there. Okay, but it having more energy, like memory card. Okay, now the memory card. Okay, this is the manufacturing of the integrated circuits like this. Okay, now we can explain. Okay, circuit means suppose memory card. This is the only small memory card. It having 64 GB. In the previous after before 20 years, there is a small size memory card is also not there. It is memory card is only 3 GB, 4 GB, only up to 64 GB is there. That means it having large size. It is memory is very less. But nowadays memory card that is 64 GB, 64 GB with a small size, and also some information is there. CD is also there. This is small size. It having storage is very large, and also it having information. It gives the more information. This is, it can be prepared like a integrated circuits. That means manufacturing of the diodes circuits with the help of the resistance and transistors are there. Like cell phones also there. Now in the previous before 2-3 years, any mobile having the memory memory cards are the internal memory up to only 64 GB maybe is last. But nowadays 256 521 is not coming. And also compared to sim is up before, that is sim is big sim is there before 10 years, but now we get micro sim or nano sim. It is nano sim. Okay, nano level, that is same sim we can transmit the signals, but the size will be decreases. It is macro, it is macro, macro to micro, macro to macro, micro to nano, nano level. That is increasing the technology using the integrated circuits. The integrated circuits we are using the sim signals and also memory cards. Any information can be developed in the technologies. That is bark, maybe is bark, bark and DRDO. Best example are using in the integrated circuits can be used in the DRDO and bark. That is thickness of the chips is very small, like this. The thickness of the chips or crystal is the, that is 1 mm. The thickness is the 1 mm. Length into breadth, length and breadth is the small size of the chips. Best example is silicon crystals having small chips. It having more information, more signal, more energy. It is can be used in the integrated circuits. Suppose integrated circuits two types. That is depending on the nature of the input and output signals. That is integrated circuits. That means integrated circuits are two types. That is linear and analog and digital integrated circuits, ICs. That is integrated circuit means ICs. The linear ICs is nothing but signals with changing smoothly. Linear means straight line. That is proportionality. Proportionality means like this. It is like this. It is proportionality. Suppose current is increases, voltage increases, current also increases. There is a proportionality. But this current is proportional to the voltage. It is proportionality or linear relation. In the case of linear relation, that is smoothing is very less, continuously ranges like this. Linear means input is equal to output. How much information is coming from input, the output is get the signals. That is a linear proportion. That is without any disturbance, how much information is coming from input, the output is observed. That is linear relation. Next, the digital means it is process signals that is having two values. They contain circuits such as logic gates. The help of logic gates, the digital integrated circuits can be prepared or manufacturing or find out. It is depending upon the level of the integration circuits. That means manufacturing, that can be used in a DRDO technology. That means small size or small scale integration, like as a SSI. SSI means small size, small scale integration. Small scale integration. The medium scale integration means MSI. The large scale integrated circuit is called LSI. Very large is nothing but VLSI. The name of the Chandrayaan, that is one planet, that is VLSI. The one name of the planet is there, VLSI. That is it is prepared with large scale integrated circuit. That is there is a planet is prepared. This type of prepared large scale digital circuits is called VLSI. That is above the 1000. Okay, that is other one name is there in the planet. That is a VLSI is there in the Chandrayaan 1 or Chandrayaan 2. That is the it's preparing one bark or DRDO. Okay, thank you.